my name is Justene. I'm shooting this video because 9 months ago, my son was suffering with eczema. After the Eczema Transformation Program, he is much better. He is happy and he can run outside now and get sweaty and play with his friends and not be red hot lava when he comes back. I highly recommend the Eczema Transformation Program because they are wonderful to work with. They lay it all out there. There's no surprises. They'll hold your hand along the way, and they're the best. Before starting the program, we had tried everything. We had tried topical steroids, every cream that we could get our hands on. We even tried eliminating some foods, but we were just kind of taking shots in the dark. What made me say yes to the Eczema Transformation Program is that they checked all the boxes. We knew what we were looking for, but we didn't know that it existed. And when we found the program, it was everything we were looking for. If there was something that prevented me from getting started, it would have been that it seemed too good to be true. We live in a very rural area, and we did not think that something like this could all be done virtually. We were really excited finding out that there was no reason it wouldn't work for us. What surprised me the most about the Eczema Transformation Program was how hands-on they are. From the providers to any questions that you have, they're willing to answer. The entire staff has been so helpful, and we appreciate them so much. What we're doing differently now is we let him go swimming, we let him play outside. We can do all these fun things that we were unable to do before, and we know that if he flares a bit, we have a game plan and it doesn't scare us anymore. I would recommend the Eczema Transformation Program because it has changed our life. We didn't think that we could see our son as happy as he is now, and with almost clear skin and just a happy, healthy little boy, and I can't recommend it enough.